This is Stephanie from statisticshowto.com, and in this video I'll show you how to find the standard deviation in Excel. I've entered my dataset into two columns. I've got dataset A in column A and dataset B in column B. There are two ways to find the standard deviation in Excel. The first is a function. I'm going to click an empty cell. I'm going to click it just under the dataset. Type the equal sign, stdev, open parentheses. My data is located in cells A2 through A12, so type A2, colon, A12, close parentheses, press enter, and there's my standard deviation for dataset A. Click the cell again, and if you have a second dataset like I do, you can just drag the formula across using the little square in the bottom right. And there's my standard deviation for dataset B. You can also use the Data Analysis toolpack. Click the Data tab, click Data Analysis. If you don't see the Data Analysis button, install the Data Analysis toolpack. Click Descriptive Statistics, click OK. My input range, I'm going to select my dataset, excluding those two cells at the bottom where I calculated the standard deviation. The dataset is grouped by columns. I do have labels in the first row, so I'm going to keep that box checked. My output range. I'm going to select an area just over the right here. And make sure the summary statistics box is checked. Click OK. Dataset A and our standard deviation for dataset B. Visit us at statisticshowto.com for more articles on Excel, elementary statistics, and AP statistics.